Did you know that cosmic rays are not rays at all, but high-energy particles from outer space? They travel at nearly the speed of light, originating from supernovae, neutron stars, and even black holes. When these particles collide with Earth's atmosphere, they create showers of secondary particles, some reaching the surface. This cosmic radiation contributes to the background radiation we experience and can even influence cloud formation, affecting weather patterns. Interestingly, astronauts face heightened exposure to cosmic rays while in space, raising concerns about their long-term health. As we explore the cosmos, we ponder how much of our understanding of the universe is shaped by these invisible messengers from afar.